This is glow in the dark.
Yeah, they're both glow in the dark.
Slime, and we didn't even do the glow in the dark test.
Yeah.
So, what do you say we go to the bathroom and see if these guys glow in the dark?
Well, first we gotta put these in the light.
In the light?
Yeah.
To see what?
So like you can like get them like charged up.
Ooh. Okay, we have to charge them. So I'll use this other light. You're gonna use that light?
Yeah.
Okay. So we gotta charge these babies. And then we're going to go to the bathroom because there's no windows in the bathroom. So, yeah, that's going to be perfect.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. So, we're going to go to the bathroom. Turn the lights out.
Yeah, we better hurry before the charging comes out.
Okay. Okay, what are you doing here? Oh, my thing is falling.
Whoa! Whoa! Look! Guys, look! Can you see mine?
Whoa, wait, we need to unplug this light. Which is going to be really
Oh my
good.
gosh! Guys, do you see this?
Wait, it can't really, it doesn't show up in the video, you guys.
But it's like
Does
really
it?
cool. Well, anyway, it's like glowing green.
It is glowing.
Oh,
It is. Whoa. Okay, wait.
Whoa.
Wait, turn the light on a second. Because I'm like trying to hold the camera and my slime is like literally going everywhere. Because it's so stretchy. So I don't want to lose it. So I'm going to put you guys right there.
Yeah.
So I can get a hold of this guy.
Okay, you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Mine's still charged. Oh, I can see the glitter on yours.
Whoa, the glitter is like a fantastical party.
Yeah.
But, okay, so...
I don't see yours glowing.
No, mine's not glowing. I guess that orange kind of took over. But yours is glowing.
Can you guys see it?
No, it doesn't show up. It's glowing a little bit. It's not super bright. But it's definitely glowing.
Yeah.
You guys hear that? Just listen to the sound.
I know.
That's the slime just crackling.
Yeah.
Doesn't that sound so good?
Whoa.
I'm like obsessed with that sound right now.
I'm like obsessed with how it looks in the dark. My hands are kind of glowing too. Because I have this stuff on me.
Yeah, they are. You could leave like glow in the dark handprints right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn the light back on. Okay, guys, that was really cool. Yours like glows really, really good, but y'all couldn't see, so sorry about that. Mine did not glow, but mine feels really cool. It's so stretchy.
Hey, mine looks pretty, and yours is like stress relieving.
Yeah, because I could just squeeze this all day. And did you guys heard the sound? It's awesome. I like this slime.
Me too.
That's cool. Can I see through it? Is it see-through? Kinda, yeah. I can see the camera. Whoa, that's awesome.
That is awesome.
Okay, I'm having like
Super
way too
cool.
much fun playing with this right now.
Okay, let me see if I can do it. I have to like flatten it out and then stretch it slowly or it breaks. I mean, not like breaks, like, but it's like...
It tears.
Yeah.
That's so satisfying, that noise. It's like a crinkly sound, like...
Whoa, look!
Whoa, yeah! That's awesome!
I can't see you guys very good, but you can see me very good.
This stuff is so fun, you guys. Go pick some up at Target. It's really fun.
Yeah.
For your kids, at least.
Yeah.
Or for yourself, because it's satisfying.
Yeah. If he likes it, then you guys should probably go get it.
What?
Almost touched the ground, but it looks like a gown dress, like the net. Didn't it?
Do that, and then crackle it.
Oh. Mine crackles a little bit too.
I could probably play with this all day, but we're going to have to end the video.
Yeah.
Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Omma means mom. Hey, yeah. 안녕하세요, 여러분. 다음에 봬요.